Today we are here for day 4 of 31 days of Halloween themed prints. Anything that can be used as a Halloween decoration or a prop for some Halloween stuff. And we are on the road to receiving this golden Halloween trophy. And in order for me to receive that at the end of this challenge is I have to find a design, slice it, film it, print it, edit it, and upload it every single day for the month of October. Here at Cosine Additive, it's just blowing my mind. Now, if you guys want to see some stuff that's been going on in the past, go check out their Instagram pages in the description box below. I've got content coming out every single day over there that's different from what we're currently doing right now. Now, the posts for this month are majority going to be themed with what we are doing, the completed version, the process version of all these prints. But I'm just updating you guys as we go on through these days to just kind of keep you on the same pace. Now, a reminder, normally we don't do these small types of prints, we do the large scale stuff. I was given basically a challenge because this came in 2 parts, so let's see how this unfolds. Alright, and there we have it, our full little 3D printed Goblin. Now, as you guys can see, the disappointment that I have with this is the fact that I'm still trying to understand the scaling when it comes to visual representation in the slicer versus the bed, and this is what we got. Now, if you guys do want to see a life-size scale of this, can we get 25 likes on today's video? But as you can see, also see that it's slightly off from when I glued because it actually had pegs on the inside of each part. Now, the parts were hollow on the inside and the pegs were supposed to fit in, but come to understanding 3D printing is the fact that stuff shrinks and expands on these things. So that was an interesting thing to do. But that's going to be it for today's video. I don't want to keep you guys too long as I'm going to try to keep it at a decent pace. And that's all I have for today's video. If you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure you guys do me a big old favor, hit that like button, 25 likes, and we'll get a live scale size version of this Goblin bomb. And then if we do that on that video, if we can get 30 likes on that video, then we can go ahead and color it as well to show you guys what it looks like life size. Leave a comment down below of what you guys think is going to be for tomorrow's print, because the only person who knows is me. As we unfold. So join me tomorrow for hopefully day 4.